Have you also encountered Helldivers 2 crashing either just before the end of the mission or during extraction? Many players of PC and PS5 players have reported about this kind of issue after installing the latest patch 01.000.200. Well, there is no such fixes for now and you have to wait unless you get some path from the developers. But many players gave suggested few temporary solutions that can help them to solve the problem. One player has suggested to verifying the integrity of game files has resolved the issue so far and can play the game without any problem. Also suggested to contact Arrowhead support so that they can work into the error fast and players can get rid of the issue.